Ka Sorkar jala kala ai por khatsan singi ya ka Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC bakan shim ya karai ka khatduh halor ka jingthmu ban pynkynriah ekilai spa sa fu artali ki long yeng na po Them Metor yo maulong ya ka ni karai la shim ha ka jingalang bala penya da usimbut menteri rangba ka jilla ubolong ru chairman ka high level committee uba prestun tinsong ha ka shipho tarik menta ubnai haka jingadan lang upara sembut menteri ubak mi ya ka kampen roisor ubak singa bhalang dhar ka deputy commissioner ka East Khas Hills ka kong RM Kurba kinongelam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee batki he officer habakren shakilap thai khbor ubak singa bhalang ulaong baka Sorkar klaman jurban ai por khatsan singi ya ka HPC bakan shim ya ka rai ka khatduh bat ban ajing tip halor ka rai bakila shim sha ka Sorkar Ula pentep bak HPC kalapan por khatsan singi namar ki kwa banyamir jingmut halor ki khatduh kat nikiman bat barok ki badan benta shwaban shim ya karai ka khatduh kinsa ajing tip sya ka Sorkar lada ka jingshim rai ka long kumnu ru henry ngi kermen skam bakan long kumbala ang nut da baro kata bakin menjurno halor ka ni ka jingterwa pynkynriah uloong Dalor kata usimbut menteri rangba ulaong ru bakan ni ka kenhun kinong mikmat ke HPC kilapan pau ya ka jingkeman ha kabayade bat ka blueprint balapan kre da ka Sorkar. Ha bakali ubak dhar ulaong hadin jong kini ki khatsan singi kin dan shu kinu ki jingalang. Ngin shimrai khatduh ya kini ki eke baro hapo ka khatsan singi. Ha ka juk ka por ulapan thikna banakaliang ka Sorkar kan pen sngap ya kinu ki kenhun ki banasya bar ka jilla. Kam Hashwa General Secretary ka Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee New Delhi Jagdeep Singh Kalon ulaong kaladan ka jingamir jingmut ka bajalan bha halor ka ni ka kam pynkynriah ya ki briu na Them Metor Henry namar baki don ki khatduh ka ni ki benta ki bampat syai kumtang lapan por khatsan singi bat hadin ka ni ngin sa pentip ya karai ka jongi bat shim ya karai ka khatduh
A very positive and fruitful meetings with the Harijan Committee, and yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organizations as HPC, and we from the government side we are agreed to give them 15 days more time, and there will be no more discussion before that, and within 15 days they will give a final decision. They will communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very positive thing. I will inform you. Yes, discussion may be the last 2 days. We should be the last 2 days, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government kindly give us at least 15 days from 2 days itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very hopeful it should be a positive decision. The offer you know very well because we haven't made any offer. We want them to say yes or no first for relocations. Everything blueprint is there.
But they have not said yes till now for the relocation.
They need some more issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days you will be getting a final decision from them. Yes, they are very much happy. Very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint. No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they tell, please give us, we need some few higher organization, the Punjabi thing only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today. No more, they may communicate it only. Either is a meeting, no problem, we can have meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days will be finalized everything. The discussion between the government and the Harijan Committee. There will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan Committee and the government itself. It's their responsibility fully.
See, we had long discussions on the relocation issue of Punjabi Lane. We had today again we had a fruitful meeting, and still certain issues are yet to be addressed, which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days then we will convey the final decision, and then only the things will be finalized. See, that I can't disclose right now, but yes, there are certain issues which we need to discuss.